Francesca, we have found the rose garden. It's gorgeous. Well, it'd look a lot better later in the summer because it's still early. They're still recovering the plants from the winter. I would so use this in my movie too. During the summer we should have a reenactment of Pride and Prejudice. Oh, I wish someone would propose to me here. Just like right there, that water fountain, right there. That's where I came from. There's no fish in there. I think they all died. Oh wait, now I have to take a picture. Hey! Turn around, hurry up! Okay. Oh, look at that! That's so pretty! That's a canna lily. Those are pretty white ones. Aww. Okay. I think I'm done here. We have to go to the butterfly exhibit. Bye, Cheska.